Good evening. I am Amy VIckery, the Public Information Officer for Stanislaus County, and I'm here to give you your Monday evening, April 13th, COVID-19 community update. As of early this evening, we have 146 positive cases, 2,540 negatives, 77 have recovered, and 2 COVID-19 related deaths in our county. I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to the Stan Aware text notification system, that is a great way to get real-time information directly to your mobile device. If you text Stan COVID-19 in all caps to 888-777, you'll get daily texts, and you don't necessarily have to wait for these updates to hear what's happening in our Office of Emergency Services. We also have a new YouTube channel. If you go to youtube.com/StanOES, you can subscribe and follow us there, and a lot of the content we've been producing for Facebook is now up on our YouTube channel. So today we felt the need to talk to you a little bit about mental health. Last week during one of Governor Newsom's briefings, he had Surgeon General Nadine Burke-Harris on, who spoke about mental health. And she shared with the state the health impacts of COVID-19 and how they've gone so much beyond what we see on the surface. The social distancing, the economic distress due to loss of wages and employment, the social distancing, school closures and physical distancing from those we care about have triggered a stress response and depression in so many people. And a lot of us are really struggling with mental well-being right now as a result of this crisis. We're aware from news sources that alcohol consumption is up, reportedly over 55% across the country. We're hearing from local law enforcement that there's been an uptick in suicide threats. And we were completely heartbroken to read over the weekend about the 2 teenage girls in Oakdale who committed suicide. Although we can't always see clearly the symptoms of emotional distress and mental illness like we can other illnesses, they are just as real and they're just as serious. This Wednesday for our Facebook Live show, we've invited Ruben Imperial, our Director of Behavioral Health and Recovery Services, to join us and to talk a little bit about these concerns. We'll also have Dr. V, our Public Health Officer, and Sheriff Dirksey again. If you have questions for Ruben, please drop them in the comments here or send them via message to us in advance of our Wednesday hour-long Facebook Live show, and we'll try to get them answered. We also want you to know that our Behavioral Health and Recovery Services has a warm phone line that is staffed 24/7 and has responders to answer in English and in Spanish to help you if you're feeling hopeless or experiencing depression. Please get help if you or a loved one is struggling. That phone line is 209-558-4600, 209-558-4600, and we will make sure that you are connected with a crisis services technician. Help is available. Remember, none of us are in this alone. We're in this together. Please take care of yourselves and your families. Good night.